Wherever you are, invite a comfortable seated position or lying down. Lengthen the spine. Let the spine be tall. Let the heart be open. Coming into the body, awareness of breath. As we connect to the shadow aspects within, connecting with curiosity, openness, non-judgment, cultivating a space and container where we can simply observe all aspects of ourselves. Nurture the wisdom. There is so much wisdom within each shadow. Let it be buried deep in the soil and become fertile soil for which grows. Planting seeds. Of walking the path in alignment, in balance, in alchemy. And what is coming forth for you in this moment in time? Maybe one of the shadows are speaking a little more clearly or loudly than the rest. This is a lifelong journey. There is no rush. So what's speaking forth today? And connect with that. Let it be present, knowing that you are safe, that you know how to nurture yourself, how to hold space for yourself, meeting your needs. Let yourself be guided by your ancestors and your cosmic team. And as you invite that shadow aspect to continue to speak, maybe in images or words, or feelings, emotions, and memories, let that shadow aspect meet another part of yourself. Let them converse. And that other part of yourself can be the wise part, can be the nurturing part, the mothering part. What part needs to meet the shadow in this moment in time? And for the next few moments, you can continue connecting to this for as long as you need. And for the next few moments, be with those parts. What are those parts saying to each other?